I'm John Mullins. I'm Managing Director of Oracle Drives and Automation. The company started in 2004 by 3 ex-Eurotherm employees. In 2010, that went down to 2, and then finally in 2013, I then become the sole owner of Oracle Drive Systems. The company very quickly grew with staff and turnover, and then to a point where in 2020, we were bought into by Varuth Holdings. Since Varuth Holdings invested into Oracle Drive Systems, many changes have been made. This includes changing of premises to new larger premises in Peterlee with workshops. We now do our own control panel manufacturing in-house. The company has grew significantly and now boasts triple the turnover of what it was in 2020. What is the Oracle mission? Our mission is to provide customers with high quality technical service. I've built the company up over the last 21 years to provide just that. How would I describe a day at Oracle? 100 mile an hour. That's what it's like at Oracle. From the moment we get in to the moment we go home, it never stops. Just how we like it. We provide technical support to customers on the telephone, by email. We get quick phone calls to go to site to fix machines, as well as doing all the project work. We're like a swan on the water, flapping like mad underneath, but gracefully on the surface. Looking ahead for the future, for Oracle, the future's bright. The future's Oracle. Our focus is providing our customers with high-level technical support and projects. We're constantly evolving our processes and systems to meet customer needs. As the world evolves, there's higher demands placed on suppliers and customers alike, and that follows down the supply chain. We aim to fulfill our customers' expectations on every job we do.
I'm Sam, I'm the Business Development Manager for Oracle Drives and Automation. I started my time at Oracle Drives as the technical sales engineer. I did a lot of the actual sales work alongside all of the engineering work. So I've got a good fundamental hold in the understanding of all the drives and automation projects. As the Business Development Manager, I'll tend to come to site, have a chat with you and see what kind of projects they've got ongoing, what sort of opportunities we could assist with. Things like energy savings scheme, surveys, upgrades for machines, things like obsolescence upgrades, retrofits, things such as breakdowns, because our engineers can support in all sorts of fields. From that point, I can then take that information away and send you propositions for what we can assist with. We have over 20 years experience in the field, and our seasoned engineers have a combined over 100 years experience in the working field. We can look into your facility, identify the highest energy users, and also reduce your CO2 carbon footprint. We do this by various means. We have a lot of partners and we have the ability to monitor and track your energy use with new technologies. We could implement these so you have the ability to track all of your energy use throughout each facility, and then any alteration or adjustment that we make to the facility will be able to be quantified. Some of our customers have found that certain drive systems can reduce their energy consumption by up to 80%, and these are backed by facts and figures. Even if you're unsure as to where these savings can be made, if you get in contact with us, then we can come and do a survey, investigate your facility, have the chats, and then find out how best we can support you. There's no obligations, but it's good to have us as a contact, just in case.
Hi, my name's Drew Withers. I'm Engineering Technical Director here at Oracle. We offer a variety of services, so let me tell you a bit more about it. Every project tells its own story. Here at Oracle, we offer project and commissioning services. Where Oracle truly excel is through thorough planning and meticulous attention to detail when commissioning and testing on-site, and this is where we've earned our trust with our loyal customer base. When a breakdown happens, every moment counts. Take for instance, quite recently, one of our customers calls us up at 6 p.m. and asks for one of our engineers to be out on site in the Netherlands. By 9 o'clock the very next morning, a member of our team was on site on a ship performing a repair. That's how Oracle have built their reputation, not just on capability and quality, but also on our ability to rapidly respond to calls. As part of our electrical engineering contracts, We not only offer full installation services of whole machines, but we also provide retrofitting service where we retrofit leading edge state-of-the-art technology into old legacy systems. These can be quite chewy and difficult to install at times, but this is where Oracle thrives. Accuracy really matters. That's why here at Oracle, we endeavour to produce accurate and easy to navigate drawings, which not only save you time and money, but speed up the maintenance process for your maintenance team. One of the main services we provide here at Oracle Drives and Automation is bespoke control panel manufacturing. We design and build these panels to your exact specifications while also adhering to 60204-1 to ensure the correct design and wiring practices are adhered to. Diagnostics are a critical part of a control system. Imagine, for instance, your operator comes along and presses start, but yet nothing happens on the machine. Our systems include full diagnostics, which when the operator presses start and nothing happens, you will get full diagnostics not only telling you what the problem is, but also pointing the operators on what steps to take in order to rectify that. Did you know we're not only AC, but also DC drive specialists with decades of experience installing, repairing and selling DC drive systems? When a system goes down and you don't have a part to hand, this can be inevitably very costly. We offer maintain spares contracts, giving you peace of mind and quick access to parts. When you're ready to move forward, or perhaps you just want some technical advice, please get in touch via telephone or contact us through our website.